Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change DNS in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Method 1, change Windows DNS. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here, select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and in alternative DNS type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. If you want Cloudflare DNS, then you just need to type here 1111 and in alternative DNS type 1001. If you want a more DNS server, you can check my video description for this link used in my video. Here you can able to see free public DNS servers. You can actually use these DNS guys. After changing DNS, click on OK. Click on close. Now close it up here. Method to change Chrome's DNS. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select security. You just need to scroll down, use secure DNS, turn it on. And after turning on, select DNS provider, click on the drop down and you can select any DNS over here guys. After selecting it, just relaunch the Chrome and you can use. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.